Hi, and welcome to Cryptid Crypto. Acurast is now available on the iPhone. Here's a quick guide to get you started on the right foot. So now the first thing you need to do is to head to the App Store. Okay, and you search for Acurast. This should be the first application that pops up. It says Acurast Processor. Tap on download. Open. Say allow. Okay, so now we need to connect to the console. So you tap on connect to console. You allow the access. All right, then you go to your console and you tap add device. That will open a window from your Web3 wallet. You tap on approve and a QR code will appear. You scan the QR code. It's funding the account, manager's pairing, device attestation, advertising compute resources, and compute status active. And it is attested. Once you've attested, then you are done. Very good. But you're almost done. Now you need to go to settings. Then you go to display and brightness. And you go to auto lock. Boom. And you tap never. Okay, and come back, and you open your Acurast processor, and you are done. And that's all you need to do.